you're experiencing low performance while playing GTA 5, there are several steps you can take to improve your gaming experience. Follow this easy guide to enhance your performance. Step 1. Adjust graphics settings. Lower the graphics settings in the game menu. Navigate to the settings and reduce options like texture quality, shadow quality, and anti-aliasing. This will help the game run smoother on lower-end systems. Step 2. Update drivers. Ensure that your graphics card drivers are up to date. Visit the manufacturer's website at NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel to download and install the latest drivers, which can improve performance and fix bugs. Step 3. Close background applications. Before launching the game, close any unnecessary applications running in the background. This frees up system resources, allowing GTA 5 to utilize more of your computer's power. Step 4. Optimize game files. Use the game launcher to verify and repair game files. This process checks for any corrupted or missing files and replaces them, which can resolve performance issues. Step 5. Upgrade hardware. If performance issues persist, consider upgrading your hardware. Adding more RAM, upgrading your graphics card, or switching to an SSD can significantly improve game performance. By following these steps, you should see an improvement in your GTA 5 performance. Enjoy your gaming experience.